Good morning, afternoon. Today's topic, photosynthesis, using light to put together compounds. How do living things get energy from the sun? Some things are special. They can use the sun's energy to make their own food and then feed everything else. Plants, algae, some bacteria and archaea are special organisms that have this awesome ability. This ability is called photosynthesis. It's the process by which a cell captures energy in sunlight and uses it to make food. It's only special cells in these plants and organisms, though. They have to have chloroplasts. And they can't do it with light alone. They need to have water, too. The sun is an energy source. The lion gets its energy from the zebra, and the zebra gets its energy from the grass. And the grass gets its energy from the sun. So ultimately, all the animals on Earth have to get their energy from the sun too. Producers or autotrophs? Any organism that makes its own food is a producer or an autotroph. It's called a producer because it produces its own food. It's called an autotroph because if we break down the Latin, auto means self and troph means feeder. Consumers or heterotrophs? More big words. Consumers because they eat things or they consume them. They can also absorb things from other living things. Heterotrophs because, break down the Latin, hetero means other and troph still means feeder. Photosynthesis stage 1. You have to get the sun's light first. Nothing else will work without it. So the plants and the other autotrophs use chlorophyll, which is a green pigment in their leaves, and it collects the sun's energy. And man, it goes wild when it does. First thing it does is break the water that the plant has in that chloroplast and splits it into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is a waste product, so it goes away. Hydrogen is used for step 2. Let's make the food. The stomata, or stoma is just one, stomata is the whole bunch, open up to let the carbon dioxide from the air into the leaf. Has to get there somewhere. Hydrogen from stage 1 reacts with the carbon dioxide that's just come into the leaf, and this produces glucose and some more oxygen. In the diagram, the white balls are the hydrogen atoms, the red balls are the oxygen atoms, and the black balls are the carbon atoms. This is your structure for glucose. Pretty amazing little molecule. Oxygen is a waste product, so it exits the leaf through all the stomata that brought in the carbon dioxide. Here's your photosynthesis equation. Carbon dioxide plus water plus light energy. These are called our reactants because they react, or our raw materials because it's what we start with. And those all working together produce a sugar called glucose and oxygen. These are our products. They are the product of our reaction. They're what we're making. And here are citations for all of the wonderful pictures you got to see today. Have a great day.